Hi, I'm Donna Brooks from Original Body Wisdom, and here today I'm going to tell you the one thing you absolutely need to know before you start using yoga poses to help lower back pain. And the thing that you have to know about is your thoracolumbar fascia. So I have a picture of it right here in orange. You can see that plate, and this is like a tendon that's attached to important muscles that contribute to lower back health, like your glutes and your abdominal muscles and your lats. And like all other connective tissue or fascia, that plate can get kind of dried out, adhered, and scrunched up. And when it does that, it interferes with the function of the muscles that you need to have in good shape to do yoga postures for your lower back pain. The first thing you need to do is just take a rest on your back, hopefully on a firm surface, so a soft bed isn't very good for these kinds of exercises. And then just notice how and where the back of your body makes contact with the floor. You can start studying up near your neck and continue tracking your body until you find a place where the small of your back starts to lift away from the floor. See if you can really think about where that is spine-wise. Notice the height of your lower back. And then notice where your spine, your sacrum, comes back into contact with the floor. And just remember this sensation because we're going to use it for later. You can do this exercise flat on your back, or if you have softballs, you can take softballs and put them underneath your sacroiliac joints. And then all you're going to do are pelvic tilts. But these are very different than the pelvic tilts you might be familiar with from workout classes or from PT, because you're going to move as smoothly and fluidly and easily as possible. Because our intention is to hydrate, lubricate, and re-elasticize that thoracolumbar fascia. Do this as many times as you can. Make sure you're breathing. And notice that you're probably feeling a tug up into your back, almost maybe two in between your shoulder blades, and the thoracolumbar fascia really continues that far up. Take a break. If you'd like, you can notice differences, compare what your body's doing now to even what it did a few moments ago, or you can continue and just have your knees gently come from side to side like windshield wipers. Notice I'm not stretching my knees, I'm just gliding them from side to side. And this is impacting lots of muscles, but also the sides of your thoracolumbar fascia and the obliques and transverse abdominis that plate is attached to. Any number of times, smooth, easily, enjoying the movement. Finish off by trying to make some circles. One direction, circles in the other direction. Then take your balls out, or just notice, compare what's different in your back to when you first started. You're probably noticing that there's a lot less distance between the small of your back and the floor, and that in general your back feels more relaxed and more settled onto the ground. And now you can do whatever you feel like doing. If you want to go into a happy baby and really bring that lower back to the floor, go ahead and do it. You'll get more value and enjoyment out of your yoga poses for lower back pain when you've eased up this thoracolumbar fascia. I hope that exercise about your thoracolumbar fascia has really helped you with your yoga poses. I have been a yoga teacher and yoga therapist for almost 40 years, and it's really a privilege for me to bring somatic movement and somatic education to yoga practitioners. If you'd like to learn more or be in touch with me, head on over to my website, originalbodywisdom.com. I offer classes, workshops, and one-on-one sessions worldwide over the internet and locally in Western Massachusetts.